Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix your knobs to your Samsung electric or gas range. What happens is these things here, this round part, is really brittle. As you can see, it forms some cracks right there. So let me show you guys how I fix it. Okay, what you do here is take a little bit of crazy glue or super glue and put it in that crack, just like that, right, before it gets worse. Then what you do is you get a zip tie about this long, could be any color, whatever. You can get a black, whatever color that you want to be. You just put it on there like this. And then, once you pull it as tight as you can, just snip the excess, just like that. But this is going to keep this part intact, so it doesn't move around, and it's going to be as good as new. Just snip the excess. That glue, in conjunction with the zip tie, is going to hold it in place. That way you don't have to buy new ones. These are pretty expensive. So here it is. Literally all of mine were broken, so put it back on. See? Now it's solid, back to normal, and the glue is going to keep it in place. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up if this method helps you out. Peace out.